So for the animal project, I did the green anaconda. Their scientific name is the Eunectes mirinus under the kingdom Animalia, the class of Reptilia, and the family Boidae, which is boas. So we're going to start with their digestive system. They have a really slow digestive system because the prey are rather large animals, which allows this to sit in their stomachs for months and weeks on end. And because of the large scale of prey, the snakes do not need to eat again for up to 3 months. So as you can see here, they prey on generally caiman, deer, and turtle, but also wild pigs, birds, and other mammals. Moving on, we have the circulatory system. So they have a 3-chambered heart with right and left atria and 1 ventricle. The right atrium takes the deoxygenized blood, which is the blue one you see here, and from the systematic circulation, and the left atrium, which is the red here, takes the oxygenized blood from the lungs. There are ridges located inside the ventricle that help sort out the oxygenized and deoxygenized blood. Now, this entire system is very similar to other non-crocodilian reptiles such as the lizard here, but it is only modified so that their linear body will have blood flow. Yeah. And now we have the reproduction system. So they have a general mating season between April and through to May. In what is, as you can see here, a large breeding ball of 1 to 12 males with 1 female. Now, green anacondas, they reproduce sexually through internal fertilization. So they're ovoviviparous, which means that the eggs hatch within the mother, but they're live born. So they can already hunt and swim. Now, females can give birth to 4 to 82 young at a time, but it depends on how many times the female has given birth and also how big the female is itself. Next, we have the nervous system. The nervous system is a very lightly protected central nervous system, as the snake needs to unhinge its jaw in order to swallow the prey whole. And it is located in the very forefront of the head. The central nervous cord does run down from the head all the way to the tail and gives dorsal and ventral roots at each vertebral segment, which means that each segment on the spine, they have a very important nerve. Now here's some other interesting facts. As mentioned before, they breed in large breeding balls. The cloaca does not have any scales. Now, it also emits a very foul odor, which is very poisonous and can kill very small organisms. This is believed to prevent the latching on of leeches and fleas, and to keep themselves clean. And also, when the Spanish settlers came to Latin America, they called the anaconda bull killers, because they believed that they kill bulls, which is almost true, but also humans. And so that concludes my project. Thank you for listening.